everybody, this is Doug from Doug and Nikki with what seems like a silly review to do, but I have a 2-pack of cables for my smartwatch. I don't know if you would call it a smartwatch, we'll call it an action watch. This is for my super cool Fitbit, which I'm wearing now, which I had stopped wearing for a little while because I couldn't get it to charge. And I thought for a second my Fitbit was broken and it was making me very sad and very angry that I was going to need to spend money on a whole new Fitbit. And the smart Nikki was like, why don't you just try swapping out the cord? So I went to go do a little search, found a bunch of them, found this one in a 2-pack, and it's like so hard to make a decision because you're like, is this going to be like a junky one? Is this going to be a good one? Whatever. I went for it. I bought it. There's one here in my hand. The other one I've been using for weeks now. It's taken me a little too long to make this video, but in any case, has worked perfectly for weeks, and I have another backup if it were to croak. I don't see any reason why it would croak because it's been working for weeks already without an issue. In any case, if you're wondering whether this is worthwhile getting, it absolutely is. It works. The quality is good. I'm going to give it a 5 out of 5 on the Doug score because it did exactly what it brought my watch back to life. In any case, I hope that was helpful. We'll see you next time.